Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to create password-protected zip file. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Okay, the first step is to go to Google and download WinRAR. You probably already have it downloaded, but in case you don't, you just download it. Well, in my case, I want to create a password for this file. The first thing we have to do is right-click, WinRAR, Add to Archive. Here we choose Zip, Set Password, and here we set a password. Then click OK. And if we enter the file and try to unzip it, it will ask us for a password. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks.